Let's create it in Filmora Mobile.
With a long journey ahead, seen a truck pull over. Life is worth living.
Begin by uploading sad 6 photos of 9:16 ratio. Add music. Add beats. If it's not generating beats, add beats manually. Now trim images sync with the beats, make a split and delete the rest part. At the end, when music changes, add your video clip. Slow down this video clip to 0.5x. And give fade an animation of 5.1s. In the beginning part, add a heartbroken emoji. Now on the second part, add lyrics. Choose your desired font style. And give zoom out animation to the text. Also give fade out animation to the video clip. That's it, you are done. If you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.